guys. So I just woke up. Update. I'm still freaking sick. And me and Evie, I thought that we would show you my Christmas decor in my room. Because I asked you guys what you wanted to see next. And a ton of you wanted to see my Christmas decorations in my room. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Most of this stuff is from my Christmas Roomspiration in 2015. I just moved it around, and because I've moved twice since then, so some stuff didn't make it, some stuff did, and some stuff I'm still trying to figure out where I want to put it, so you guys can help me figure that out. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. There's Evie. She's got her little Christmas bow on, so that's a good thing to start with, right, Evie? Right, Evie? Right? She's so precious. You're so precious. Okay, I guess we'll start by my door. So this is like right when you walk in. And the first thing you see, if you look to your left, is this. It's a little, I don't know, I stole it from my mom. I don't really know. I want to add to it, but I don't know what I want to add to it. I think I want to put something up there. But I don't want it to be too much because my room is definitely very, very decorated. So next is the Christmas tree. I love my Christmas tree. It kind of evolved over the years. It started like pink and green and blue, and now it's like blue and red and silver, and it's my favorite. I put little balls down here, and pumpkin ate part of this pine cone, but it's okay. I made that too, DIY. And then I put this down here. It's this giant ball. Oh, you can see my camera stuff back here. That's where I keep it. But yes, I'm obsessed with my Christmas tree. I love it to death. Mason got me a new one this year because I couldn't find mine. So shout out to Mason. Oh, Evie's still loving on me. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit of details. DIY. I literally tied ribbon on it, and it's so cute. These are, I don't know if they're technically 4 trees or not. In there. What else is pretty cool? These are just poinsettias. I literally just stuck them on top. This was from Hobby Lobby. It's just a little tree. And this, I think, was from like a party store or something. So just get creative, literally. Like, I'm obsessed with my tree, and most of it technically doesn't even go on a tree, so yeah. Okay, so next we're gonna come over to my dresser. This little guy used to light up and do stuff on his, like, make this fly on his own, but I need to change the batteries, and I haven't, so yeah, but he's still super cute. I love him. These I made on my own. I have 4 of them, so here's the first 2. They're from my last video. I literally just took some fabric, made some bows. If you want me to do like a video on how to make those, I can. And then we're at my bed. So I need to get new lights for here. These lights are like literally 2 years old. I'm surprised they made it this long. I got this stocking in Secret Santa last year, and I just put some poinsettias that Mason got me in it, and stuck it there because I wanted it to be more festive. This is what I have on my bed right now. I want to add more Christmas pillows, but I haven't. This is like an aromatherapy dog. It's really cool. Like, you put it in the microwave or in the freezer, and it like smells good. And this sings I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, because when I was little, I looked like Shirley Temple, and my mom also knows that I love animals, so I kind of do want a hippopotamus. And this is a book. Let It Snow. So, what you doing? Me too. So, that's my bed. And we're gonna come over here. This is all Christmas stuff that I'm still trying to figure out what to do. This is another DIY thing that I made. I can show you how to make that too. I don't know what I want this to say now, because I kind of want to keep it. But now that I have a boyfriend, it's kind of like, I don't know. I feel weird, and I'm kind of older, so I don't know what I want it to say, but I do want to hang it, or put it somewhere. I just don't know where. And then this is just extra stuff, like, I don't know where to put this, if I'm going to put this anywhere. I have another little leaf. Then I have tons of lights. I did have the lights hanging like around here, but they kept falling down, so I don't really know if I want to put them back up or move them somewhere else. But this is the last section of my Christmas wonderland. This is technically Evie's bed. That's why there's a ball. It's a little hangout spot. It's part of my, I don't know what this is called. I put this in here. Is it going to focus on it? There we go. It says let it snow. There we go. It says let it snow, and it has a little candle that has glitter going up and down. And Evie's really good with like electric stuff, so I put that there, and I turn it off obviously when she's around. And then here's the rest of my candles. This is another one I made. And here's the last one. This one might be my favorite. Either this one or the plaid one is probably my favorite. And then I took a bow that I got from a Christmas present and put it on a candle. And I have some wintry hand cream. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, I still have a lot more to do. I just don't know what to do with it yet. So if you want to comment below and tell me where you think that would look good, I would so be down for that. So yeah, it's a work in progress, but you guys really wanted to see this, so I thought that I would show you guys and give you a little tour of my room since I haven't ever done that. My mom moved here after I went to college, so my room's really not decorated, so Christmas time is the only time it's really like decorated. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment what your favorite thing is in your room if you have Christmas decor. My favorite thing is probably my tree. I love my tree, or my snow globe. And yeah. Like and subscribe if you want. It would really help out my channel. And if you want to see what I'm doing between uploads, follow my social media. The links will be in the description. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. So I heard you found somebody else.